This is a design website. We're going to be using this to do our book cover. So this website is free. You can just come in here and create an ebook cover, a book cover. So there are various designs, there are different designs that you can choose from. They are so beautiful. These are designs that you can choose from. These are templates you can choose from. So maybe I'll just go ahead and choose something I'll be using for this tutorial. Okay, let's use I'm so confused right now on the one to use, but maybe I'll go for this. So once you want to use it, just tap on use template, and then to show you upload your book cover, upload a JPG or PNG file of your book cover to instantly receive your free mockup. So now I'll be inputting my Gmail. So I'll be inputting my Gmail, one of them, and then the cover image, which is the design that you have created on Pixel Lab, or the design you have created on your software that you want to use for your book mockup. So there I'll go ahead and choose my design. So I didn't really create any design for this, but I'll just be using a simple design. I'll use this same design you're familiar with. I'll now tap on send my cover. They will send it to my Gmail, and also on the app I'll be able to also access it. So let's allow the page to load. Download your free mockup, photos of your book proven to blah 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 blah. Now yes, I want a free I want lifetime access to extended library for mockups. Blah 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 blah. You get this on there. Blah 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 blah. You can see now, if this was my ebook, now if this was my book, if this was my storybook, now look at how it's coming out. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can see. Okay, now I don't want to pay for this. This site is not totally free. There are some that you're going to actually pay for, but now I want the free one. So let's open it and see what we got. Okay, now you see, this is amazing. If this was a storybook, this was how it's going to come out. You see, so this is actually amazing. This is all about this website for book cover mockup. So now this is the second ebook or book cover design website, which is the DIY book design. This is another free online book mockup maker. This one is 100% free, unlike the other one that they were asking us to pay about I think $59. This one is totally free, and it's easy to use as the first one, but the designs are not that professional as the first one. Maybe that's why that first one is actually going to be it's going to be in a pro version, because it has more exclusive designs. So these are the designs on this website, this DIY book design website. These are the designs they have on this website. So now it has to actually this is a composite, I think. Okay, this is a single design, this single design book cover, and then this is a composite comes in two designs, like it's accompanied with another design, either with a phone, a Android phone, or a tablet. So now we'll go ahead and choose something different from the first one which we did before. Okay, let's go for let's go for this one. Then you tap on next. Then you see this browse. That's where you're going to upload your image, and once you finish uploading your image, this box down here is going to load to 100%. If you're using a PC, then you have to drag your image in here. So now I'm not using a PC, I'm using my phone, so I have to upload image. So I'll be using the same image I used in the first design, which is this one, and then I'll let it upload. Okay, now you see it has loaded 100%. If it doesn't load like this, you'll get an error message. So now it has loaded. Then we tap on next. JPG. I want it in JPG, so it has downloaded. So we'll tap on open. So you see, this is how this one came out. So now it all depends on what you want to use. Either you want to use the first one or you use the second one. So please, if you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.